Thank you, Dr. Shah, for this wonderful introduction. I will just share the screen. So my presentation can be viewed. So, good morning, everyone. I'm Neeraj Mutha from EPITOME BAMBOOWOOD. Having studied finance, and I was all set to join my family business in the capital markets, I came across bamboo wood products 8 years back when I was studying in the USA. And today, I'm proud to say my dream as a young entrepreneur to make bamboo wood a timber of the 21st century can be a reality now. When I see such enthusiasm from bamboo lovers like Shri Dr. Nayak ji, who is an avid bamboo lover and gives his valuable time to promote bamboo through Bamboo Society of India. BSI has certainly played an important role in making the bamboo sector a success, and seeing the efforts put by the members, I think my decision was correct. I would like to thank BSI again and Dr. Shri Sundar Nayak ji for inviting me to speak on the topic of potential of bamboo wood and for organizing this seminar. I'm a firm believer that bamboo has the potential to be the green gold of India. And the time for this seminar couldn't have been better when our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji striving hard to make India a $5 trillion economy. So why can't we start today? Working towards making bamboo an important to our GDP and to be a part of our Honorable PM's dream. So I'll start my presentation today on potential of bamboo wood. Today, I'll be covering the following topics. So first slide. Synergy is required in the bamboo industry. Today, as per the existing situation that exists in the bamboo industry, I've noticed most of the units such as agarbatti stick making, charcoal making, energy pallets, or mat making become unviable as they are set up as a standalone unit. All these units face challenges of managing wastage that as their yield is in any of these industry is not more than 15 to 20%. This drives up the cost of production and it cannot sustain this competitive market. Hence, I believe it is important for the entire bamboo industry to function in synergy rather than in individual silos. And in such scenario, bamboo wood industry can play a very vital role. Bamboo wood unit converts bamboo into wood, as sir said earlier. It is similar in look and feel to hardwood. From bamboo wood, we can make furniture, flooring, cladding, doors, or for that matter, everything that can be made from hardwood can be made by using bamboo. This industry makes maximum addition to bamboo, and many ancillary units can coexist with the bamboo industry, as wastage from the bamboo unit can be used for making agarbatti sticks, mats, charcoal, energy pallets, etc. All these units using bamboo as a raw material can coexist together and become interdependent. This can help each other to reduce, number one, the cost of production, reduce the input cost of raw material, as bamboo waste of one unit can become the raw material of the other unit, thereby increasing the ratio of yield to raw material. And hence, these units can become viable. Our factory at Ala is a good example of such synergy. We have been able to create successful ancillary units around our factory that make energy pallets and incense sticks. Few years back, when our Honorable PM at an event in Maharashtra at Sangli mentioned that bamboo industry has a potential to flourish in the similar way as sugar industry. This got me thinking, and being based in Maharashtra and also having some business interest in the sugar industry, I compared bamboo to the sugarcane crop. And I believe bamboo can bring prosperity to farmers similar to how sugarcane has brought. Gathering some data, I noticed Once sugarcane is planted, the farmer gets 2 crops in a 6 months, whereas bamboo once planted can be harvested for the next 30 to 50 years once it attains maturity in 3 to 4 years. However, the first 3 to 4 years, there is no income for the farmers. Yield for sugarcane is approximately 100 ton per hectare. And in bamboo, there are also some species like the Bhima bamboo that have similar yield. But more research and development is definitely required in the bamboo sector to increase the yield in various bamboo species. And no better person than Dr. Bharti, who is an active member of the BSI, who can throw some more light on this issue. Also, bamboo doesn't require a robust irrigation system as the one that is required for sugarcane. The average realization per ton for the farmer for both crop is almost similar. We can also give a suggestion to NABARD to make some farmer friendly policy which can help the farmers to sustain the first 3 to 4 years when bamboo is planted. And in this, society can play an integral part. Now, moving on to India versus China. I've made this particular slide to emphasize on the potential that the Indian bamboo sector has. Having the highest plantation of bamboo in the world, we have not been able to create the infrastructure required for the bamboo industry to flourish here. I think we need to focus on creating an atmosphere to attract more investments towards the bamboo industry. By doing this, we can utilize our bamboo resources, create huge employment opportunities, and a ready market for the bamboo growing farmers. Also, another point worth noticing is bamboo wood products are a huge contributor to the China's bamboo industry. To stress this point, I will give you an example. China manufactures 116 million square meters of bamboo flooring, and it exports it all over the world. India, as on today, manufactures less than 1 lakh square meters. 116 million square meters and 1 lakh square meters. You can see the difference and also understand the potential bamboo wood has and can be a huge contributor. Let us now make a comparison between bamboo wood and hardwood. This is also an important slide in the build-up to the upcoming topics I will be covering. Wood, as the name suggests, is completely made from bamboo. It is an eco-friendly substitute to hardwood. One can make any products from bamboo wood that can be made from wood. It truly has the potential to become the timber of the 21st century. Friends, the woodworking industry in India is one of the fastest growing industries. It is expected to grow at 20% per year over the next 5 years. Currently, India uses approximately 7 cubic meter wood every year. Majority of it is imported. In this table, we can notice bamboo wood is economically and technically better than hardwood. One very important advantage of using bamboo wood instead of hardwood is bamboo wood is termite resistant. Moving on to potential of bamboo wood. Following up from the previous slide, let's say if we can shift approximately 10% of the wood demand in India towards bamboo wood, that is 10% of 70 million cubic meter, which is approximately 7 million cubic meter to bamboo wood. We can tap into the true potential of bamboo industry. Taking example from my unit, and if we can create such a demand, we can achieve the following. 7 million direct jobs can be created. This doesn't include the indirect jobs in form of transportation of material or harvesting of bamboo. The annual requirement of bamboo will be approximately in the range of 35 to 40 million tons. This will make bamboo wood industry a significant contributor to the Indian economy. It will also be in tune with our government's vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat, as wood import will be substituted by the Indian made bamboo wood. At present, bamboo wood industry is in a nascent stage in India. And like any industry, government handholding and support will be required for this industry. Bamboo Society of India can again play an integral part in putting forward these demands to the government. And I believe we need a few more success stories in this field to attract more entrepreneurs and investment in this sector. And government policy support is required. I will cite two examples to stress more on this point. One is from the jute industry. Government has made it mandatory to pack at least 20% of the sugar production in jute bags, and 80% sugar can be packed in polypropylene bags. This decision is taken because the government wants to support the 3.7 lakh workers and several lakh farmer families who are dependent on the jute industry. Jute bag of 50 kg capacity is available at almost double the price of polypropylene bag. But still, because of the policy decision of the government, sugar industry has to spend the extra amount and pack it in jute bags. Another example is of the solar industry. Initially, when the industry was in the nascent stage, government was buying solar power at approximately around 17 rupees per unit. Because of this policy, many investors were attracted to set up solar power plants. Now, once the industry has stood on its feet, the same unit can be sourced at less than 3 rupees per unit. Similarly, to support the bamboo wood industry, I suggest we can impress upon the government through our society to implement the following. Mandating a certain percentage, say 10 to 15% use of bamboo wood in form of flooring, cladding, doors in all government projects, let it be central or state, or even projects of public sector enterprises. Secondly, as I've mentioned earlier, with bamboo wood, we can make everything that can be made from hardwood. Bamboo wood furniture is similar to hardwood furniture. It is a trendy material and it can elevate the elegance of the space almost instantly. So another policy support bamboo wood industry needs is that government can form a policy that out of the total requirement of furniture of the central and state government, certain percentage of the furniture can be made from bamboo wood. I'll show you one slide here. This furniture we've supplied to one of a prestigious educational institute, and you can see how beautiful it looks. Another challenge we manufacturers face is dumping of imported material. And National Bamboo Mission was instrumental in bringing additional import duty by increasing the custom tariff on import of bamboo agarbatti sticks. Similarly, we can impress upon the government to provide some protection that can be given to the bamboo wood flooring industry also. Now, I will introduce EPITOME Bamboo Wood. We are a Mumbai-based company. We are pioneers in manufacturing bamboo wood in India. Today, we have provided approximate employment to 200 people in Agartala. We are proud to say we have executed 400 plus projects in India. That includes complete supply and installation of our products. Some of the main products that we deal in are flooring, ceiling, paneling, furniture, and doors. On the right, you can see a state-of-the-art unit that is based in Agartala. It is spread across 10 acres of land. We have imported machines from countries like Taiwan, Germany, China, and we are proud to say in this remote location, we were successful to implement the complete process of installing the machine and starting production in 14 months time. And at top, you can see our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji visiting our stall at Advantage Assam. I would also add here, I had the added advantage just few days back to meet him personally and impress upon the potential of bamboo wood in India. So the making of bamboo wood. This is a step-by-step process I've tried to highlight in this one slide. First process is when we identify the fresh and matured bamboo in the bamboo fields. This is done by a procurement team at Agartala. Then after we identify there's arrival and fresh matured bamboo at our unit. Then we cut and split and knot remove of bamboo to make strands. This process is somewhat similar to how sugarcane juice is extracted from sugarcane. In the similar fashion, the bamboo stick remains intact, but the fibers are separated in the process. Then the next process is of curing and dipping the strands in a VOC compliant adhesive. This adhesive is made in-house. After we have these glued, dripped, dried strands, we compress these strands in a cold press, and we have formed bamboo wood log. Then we cure this bamboo wood log and demold it. We also cure the logs naturally for almost 30 to 40 days to acclimatize with the local surroundings, and we can dry it. Once we have this ready section of bamboo wood, then we can cut it into desirable sections. Whatever is the end use, say for flooring, we use 14 mm, for ceiling 10 mm, for furniture it is custom made. So we cut it into those desirable strips and we make end products from it, and then go on to finishing the product. The main products, as I said, we make flooring, wall paneling, ceiling tiles, outdoor decking, furniture. For that matter, any product that one can imagine to be made from wood can be made from bamboo wood. So about us, we are a perfect example of Make in India, go vocal for local, act east, bamboo the green gold, and bamboo the timber of the 21st century. Some of the prestigious projects that we have carried out in our stint across 8 years is we are proud to have installed our products at Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi, the Prime Minister Office, Governor House in Tripura, Guwahati Airport, Patna High Court, and recently we have added the Central Vista project also, where we have supplied more than 3 lakh square feet of material. Some pictures of the projects that we have carried out. This is the Samrat Ashok Convention Center at Patna. We have installed a flooring here, and this is one of the biggest auditorium in India currently. When it was made, it was the biggest auditorium in Asia. We are proud to say we have installed over 7,000 square meters of a flooring here. This is a project very dear to me also. This was financed by the World Bank, and it is a project of the government of West Bengal. We had erected 1,100 kiosks here. The complete structure of this was made in bamboo wood. This project was the aim of this project was to create a marketplace for the local people at Digha. I'm proud to say there are 3. None of the structure was damaged. There were 3 cyclones that have hit this coast. I'll show you the video in the next slide. Just see the video. Here in the previous slide, you can see the winds were approximately over 100-150 kilometers per hour, and not in one structure got damaged. So it is a matter of great pride for us. The next project, this is Guwahati Airport. If you ever happen to visit Guwahati Airport, most of the columns are cladded with our material. The ceiling, the wall cladding, we have extensively beautified this airport with our bamboo wood products. This is another very interesting project, Godrej Bhavan, which is an heritage building in Mumbai. Godrej, as you know, is a renowned furniture maker and a renowned in many industries, but they make furniture also. But they chose our material to beautify one of their invite-only offices. This is an invite-only office, and it is located at a very prominent location in Mumbai. The complete office has been beautified with bamboo wood products again. We have used flooring, wall paneling, ceiling tiles, This is a project that we recently completed. This is the IIM project at Shillong, where again we have beautified their campus with a lot of furniture, baffle tiles, and we continuously believe in developing products that are coming up in the market, to develop them with bamboo wood and provide it to our clients. Some of the valued customers that we have worked with over the past years: CPWD, BSF, NBCC, Airport Authority, MES, some of the private hotel groups like Intercontinental Hotel Group, the Hyatt, Godrej, Shapurji Palan. These are some of the customers that we have had the opportunity to work with, and we thank you for them. This is some of the certifications that we have acquired over the past years. BMTPC, it is a Ministry of Housing that gives this certificate. It basically gives us a performance appraisal certificate on the process of how bamboo wood is made. Z is a certificate that is given by the MSME Ministry. We are perhaps the only bamboo industry in India to have this certificate, and probably one of the only industries in Northeast to have a silver rating also. Our products are certified green by Griha, and they have been included in their catalog also. These are some of the appreciation certificates that we have received over the past several years from our valuable clients. I will play a small video that shows you the process of bamboo wood is made and takes you to a tour of a factory also.
Lush green northeast is Agartala, home to India's first bamboo park. Across a land covering 10 acres of this bamboo park is the upscale production unit of Mutha Industries, equipped with state-of-the-art technology that caters to the growing demands of the environment-conscious customer. Mutha Industries is the first of its kind to introduce EPITOME bamboo wood in India, a premier range of eco-friendly product. EPITOME taps into bamboo's exceptional potential at being an alternative for timber. EPITOME bamboo wood products have an appearance and feel similar to hardwood, but are made completely from bamboo. Bamboo is extremely environmentally friendly. It grows to maturity in as little as 4 to 6 years. In contrast, hardwood takes decades to mature, and cutting trees also adversely affects our environment. The complete making of bamboo wood involves a step process carried out across 45 days. It all begins with the harvest of fresh and matured bamboo. Then these bamboos are split and strands are made out of it. These strands are then pressed under very high pressure and rested, resulting in a perfectly cured bamboo wood beam. At EPITOME, quality is key, and this quality control comes through simple, innovative processes. For example, the bamboo is boiled or burned pressure steam to remove the starch and sugar content. This contributes to make the bamboo wood termite resistant. Our in-house team of engineers and technicians ensure that top-notch products are provided to customers. EPITOME's products have while having zero effect on the environment. EPITOME bamboo wood beam, a green alternative to hardwood, can be used for flooring, wall paneling, outdoor decking, making doors and door frames, and practically any furniture that can be made from hardwood, thus making bamboo wood a compelling substitute. EPITOME bamboo wood flooring and wall cladding is coated with 9 layers of eco-friendly UV coating, which is imported from Germany, with the aim of enhancing the durability. The flooring is easy to install and easy to remove, making its utility hassle-free. With flooring and wall cladding, one can opt for the natural finish in geisha or bourbon, or choose from a wide range of stain finish, which can be customized to suit a desired look. Bamboo wood decking is a new environmental-friendly material, which is now becoming the predominance of this environmental evolution. Bamboo wood decking is especially developed and suitable for various outdoor uses, which adds beauty and value to your home with a graceful outdoor living. Combining exotic beauty and supreme durability, bamboo wood doors and door frames represent a renewable alternative to traditional hardwood doors and door frames. Bamboo wood furniture is trendy material that can elevate the elegance of your space almost instantly, adding an ineffable quality to your room, proving that sometimes you can really have the best of both worlds. That saving the earth doesn't mean sacrificing style.
Now, friends, I will conclude by saying bamboo and bamboo wood industry are getting ready to play a very important role in Atmanirbhar Bharat. What we need is some policy initiative from the government which will help to give a fillip to this industry to play its role and will create many success stories in this field. And there is no better forum to take this initiative and provide a platform than the Bamboo Society of India. As you will see, all the policy interventions I have suggested will help us to create a market. And I'm a firm believer that once there is a market, entrepreneurs will be more than happy to invest in this sector. As you will agree, a businessman does not need invitation to make money. Once many entrepreneurs invest in this sector, automatically price discovery will be competitive. I request all members and the audience to give a serious thought to the suggestions I've made, as what is required is formulating the right policy and then implementing it in letter and spirit. Also, please note all my suggestions were only for creating market, not asking for any monetary support. Therefore, I believe these suggestions can be easier to implement and it surely will help our nation to become Atmanirbhar in the bamboo sector. Thank you, and I thank you, Bamboo Society of India, for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, Mr. Neeraj. Thank you very much for your wonderful presentation. We really got a great awareness about your company today. We'll take some questions from the audience.
Hello, namaste. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
Yes, sir.
Please introduce
Yeah.
yourself.
It was a very good presentation, quite informative and quite engaging also. We request, we have been exploring for 10 mm or less than 10 mm bamboo sheets. If
Okay.
EPITOME can help us in this regard, we will be grateful for them.
Absolutely, sir. It will be a pleasure, sir. If we can connect on my website, my number and everything is given. We can surely connect later and we'll be happy to provide you whatever your requirement is, sir.
See, we are a small startup from Bangalore, that too in a different domain like spiritual and divine. But nevertheless, bamboo being very eco-friendly and very elegant product, we would like to utilize the bamboo in all our mementos kind of thing. In this regard, our humble request is please help us.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I will surely help you, sir.
So kindly introduce yourself, sir. Your name is showing us Galaxy.
Mr. Neeraj Mutha ji.
Yes, sir.
Now you are helping the farmers to buy their bamboos. Whether any financial help is rendered by Mutha industry to farmers to grow bamboo?
So as of now, we they buy the saplings, they plant it. We do their hand holding for the next 3 to 4 years, how to get a good yield in Agartala, and then we buy the bamboos from them after once it is harvested. There is no financial support that we currently provide, sir.
Okay. Whether any efforts has been made by Mutha industry to carbonize or manufacture charcoal, bamboo charcoal?
Sir, not yet. There are some small trials we have conducted, but nothing on a large scale yet.
Okay. Okay.
Good
Sir,
morning.
Namaste.
Sir, what about the
Good
price of
morning,
the
sir.
product, sir?
It is around 350 rupees a square feet, the flooring.
Hello.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you'd like to ask
Hello.
any questions, kindly raise your hand using the reactions button. We'll go
Hello.
in the order of priority.
Okay.
Dr. Bharti, please.
Good morning. Thank you for the opportunity. And Mr. Neeraj, you beautifully presented. I know I've been listening to you for quite some time, and
Thank you, sir.
you're really doing good job of promoting the bamboo, though
Thank you,
along
sir.
with the industry. And then I'm very happy.
Absolutely, sir.
I just want to ask you, what is the conversion rate of 1 ton of dry bamboo into how many CFTs you're able to get?
Battery
Uh,
running.
Or
So
wet bamboo?
to like 1 ton of bamboo to CFT of bamboo wood, you mean?
That's right.
So I will do some calculation. I'll come back to you on it, sir,
Okay.
with the exact this thing. But I'll be in touch with you and I'll come back to you, sir, on that.
Okay. Right. Thank
Okay,
you.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Is there any species specifically you look for it, or you have comfortable with all the species?
So no, in Tripura, sir, there were around 20-25 species that are there locally, sir. Out of that, we had identified 4 to 5 species that suit us, sir,
Okay,
and we use them only currently.
I see. Does the density of bamboo makes any difference for you, or
It does, sir, in processing it.
lighter
Less
is
than,
better?
yeah, little lighter is better, so because it's easy to process and there's a little less machine breakage.
Okay. Right. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We move on to
Sir, Namaste.
Mudit Mishra ji, please.
Hello.
Good morning, sir. Sir, I am student of civil engineering student. I want to ask that your beam, do that beam shows any structural property?
So we are in process of conducting some tests on it for structure. We have in my presentation, we have already used it for one of the projects in Digha, and it has performed wonderfully. So to enhance this, say a G+1 or G+2 structure, these are some trials that we are doing and some tests that we are conducting. So once we know, we are confident that we can sell this product as a structure material, then we'll start using it.
Sir, if I want to connect with you regarding this particular project, can I?
So I will
how can
I will just mention my website here, so you can connect with me via that, sir.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Moving on, Sridhar ji.
Hello.
Let's move on to
Sir, Namaste. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Namaste.
Sir, please go
I am
ahead.
Ramchandra Patil, sir, Karnataka.
Please go ahead, sir.
Hello. Sir,
Please go
I am
ahead.
not speaking, sir, English and Kannada. Only Kannada transfer, sir. ನಾನು ರಾಮಚಂದ್ರ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದವರು. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಾವು ಇದು ಶ್ರೀಗಂಧದ ಮರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬೈಲಿ ನಾವು ಕೂಡ. ಹಲೋ, ಬಿದಿರನ್ನ ಹಚ್ಚಿದೀವಿ. ಆ ಬಿದಿರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಈಗ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಸಿಗಳನ್ನ ನಡುವುದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ಅರಣ್ಯ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಯೋಜನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಹಕಾರವನ್ನು ನೀಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈಗ ಹೆಂಗ್ ತಾಳೆ ಮರಗಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬೋರ್ವೆಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊರೆಸಿ ಸಹಾಯಧನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಆ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು ಬಾಂಬು ಬೆಳೆಗಾರರಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಾಂಬು ಸೊಸೈಟಿಯಿಂದ ಯಾಕೆ ನೀವು ಸಹಾಯಧನ ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್.
So I'm sorry, sir. I don't understand Tamil, sir. If the question is for me, can you please translate this to English? It'd be helpful.
No, basically he is asking a question to the BSI.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
I think we can answer some Patil who spoke in Kannada later.
Ms. Anuradha Kashi, please go ahead.
हेलो
Please.
नमस्ते मुथा सर. हेलो, मेरी आवाज आ रही है सर?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
यस सर, मैं पुणे से बात कर रही हूँ सर, और मैं अपकमिंग एंटरप्रेन्योर हूँ. मेरा बेस जो है कंस्ट्रक्शन और बैम्बू टूरिज्म पर है, अलॉन्ग विथ प्लांटेशन. यहाँ पर 8 एकड़ में पूरा प्लांटेशन मेस का हुआ है. और कुछ दिन पहले सर से रेबिन सर से बात हुई थी, और आपके यहाँ से मैंने कुछ सैंपल मंगवाए थे वुड से, बाम्बू वुड के फ्लोरिंग के लिए. वो सैंपल बहुत ही अच्छे हैं, मेरे क्लाइंट को भी वो बहुत अच्छे लगे हैं. इसके लिए मैं आपको थैंक यू कहना चाहती हूँ. और ये कि मैं अपकमिंग एंटरप्रेन्योर हूँ, और मेरे मन में भी है कि कंस्ट्रक्शन, टूरिज्म और प्लांटेशन के साथ साथ टिम्बर में मुझे वर्क करना है. तो एज अ स्टार्टअप आप मुझे किस तरह से गाइडेंस कर सकते हैं सर?
Even I was a young entrepreneur when I started this, and whatever is there in my capacity to help you, to promote you, it will be an honor, because I also want to see many entrepreneurs in this sector succeed and reach new highs, because the more the merrier, I believe.
Okay.
So we will surely connect. I believe you're connected with Rabin, and I will let Rabin also know if there's any support that we can provide. We'll be more than happy to.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.